Hello friends, I'm come back and show you new topics, and I think it will be too much easy, and every iPhone user need to know how you can do this. And if you want to learn on this topics, you can just stay with me, and otherwise you can ignore. All right. So how you can enable? I mean, on your passcode options. So if you want to enable, then you should step on the settings, then showing the menu option, and you see similar UI or same UI, depends on the iPhone model, also your OS version, I mean iPhone software version. All right, so now I'm going to passcode option, then scroll down, and here in showing the face ID and passcode, it will be Siri search and emergency between the center. Then I just step on the face ID and passcode. Okay. So if you want to enable, then you just tap on this little bit. I mean, scroll down to up. All right. Okay. Here is showing the turn passcode on. So if you want to on, then you can just tap here. Okay. Then asking the new passcode. Then you can enter your passcode as you want. Then I just typing my passcode. Okay. Then use anyway. Then I just use anyway. Verify again. Okay, yeah, it's done. It's easy. And okay, also want to know my Apple ID password, and it's the already done, all done. So if you want to change and turn on, then you can follow my video. And thanks for the watching. Bye bye.